We're already in November and I have 26 trees to go. I don't know, I really don't think I'm gonna make it. Mother Nature took this one down, so that puts me at 25. Maybe 24 if that guy just snapped. There's 1 and 2. There might be a third over there, but this guy scares me. I asked about some help and it's not so easy. I'm just like, I just want to come out, teach me how to do it. They're like, we'll come out and give you an estimate. I'm like, I just want your education, knowledge. I don't need any equipment but a chainsaw. And so there is another tree. So I have 23 to go. I kind of like that. So I'm gonna try and fall a couple more. Maybe I could get down to 20 today and then I won't be so stressed. But yeah, again, I reached out to some local people that fall the difficult trees so they don't hit houses. I've got a couple offers. Some of them won't let me video. I don't know why, but I'm still working on it because I do want to learn more ways of doing things properly because I do not want to get hurt. So let's see if I could safely cut some down, guys. Next, we're going to do this alder. There's a widowmaker that's leaned up against the cedar tree, but now that some foliage has fallen, I can see that it's not resting on this tree that I want to drop. So I'm at 22. Let's see if I can do this one safely. one's a fatty. Am I even on the camera? See if it can show me. Now let's just hope it falls the way I want it to. I'm just at such an awkward surface. It's not making it easy. So I'm about a foot lower there, and I don't want to be in the path. That worked out perfect. And I got to clean this up in 21 to go. This one had lots of branches, took me a while to clean it up, but I'm not going to cut it up today with the days getting shorter. Now that we set our clocks back, no, fall forward. I'm going to call it a day because the sun's going down, but I got 21 to go, and I can hit it, it's close, so we'll see. I have like 6-7 weeks to get her done. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you.